Webull Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Webull and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Webull is a commission-free trading platform designed for active traders and investors looking for advanced tools and a powerful trading experience without paying a fee. The platform offers stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency trading, all with zero commissions, which is a big plus for frequent traders. Webull's standout features include real-time market data, extended trading hours, and powerful charting tools. One of Webull's biggest strengths is its robust suite of research and technical analysis tools. The platform offers advanced charting with customizable indicators, over 50 technical indicators, and drawing tools, making it ideal for traders who rely on data and technical analysis to inform their decisions. Webull also offers access to real-time news feeds, which helps keep users updated on market-moving events as they happen. For those looking to trade options, Webull's platform is equipped with advanced options analytics, which is useful for making informed decisions. The platform also provides paper trading so that users can practice strategies risk-free. Another advantage of Webull is its extended trading hours, allowing you to trade pre-market 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. ET, and after hours, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. ET. This is especially valuable for those who want to react to news and market movements outside of regular trading hours. However, there are some downsides. While Webull's platform is packed with powerful tools, it can be overwhelming for beginners who are not familiar with advanced trading techniques. The user interface can also be cluttered, which may make it hard for new investors to navigate. Additionally, Webull does not offer fractional shares, which could be a limitation for those who want to invest small amounts in expensive stocks. Moreover, while Webull supports cryptocurrency trading, its fees can be relatively high compared to dedicated crypto platforms. Overall, Webull is a great choice for active traders and intermediate to advanced investors who want advanced charting tools, zero commission trading, and extended market hours. If you're a beginner, you might find the platform a bit complex, but for experienced traders looking for a comprehensive tool set, Webull offers a competitive edge. Check the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.